Now we're gonna go with a single leg RDL, okay, with the dumbbell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my feet together, okay? Whatever side is loaded up, that leg is gonna go back, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna initiate this movement by driving my leg back first. I should feel hamstring and glute when I do so. Once I feel that, I can start to descend. So the dumbbell's gonna go down towards the inside of my foot. My trail leg heel is gonna get going up towards the ceiling, okay? So here, start going down. When I get down here, my goal is to get my chest parallel to the floor in addition to the top of my thigh. It's a little hard to hold that position and look at the camera and talk to you at the same time, but this is the goal position right here. From there, I go ahead, pull myself back up to start, and I go right back into my next rep. As I go through this range of motion in this exercise, I'm gonna feel a ton of hamstrings on that leg that's staying fixated to the floor, okay? It's really, really crucial that you get the leg of the trail leg, the heel, going up towards the ceiling, because that's gonna keep your spine nice and long, and then keep driving the motion going down towards the floor with the dumbbell, okay? So focus on getting this heel back, up towards the ceiling, and then the chest just keeps moving towards the floor. Parallel, parallel, pull yourself back up to start.